Okay, you're welcome once again. This is the mobile phone video editing made easy masterclass, and today we are going to be handling your video editing with an app called INSHOT. We've already tackled how to create videos, animations with Render Forest, both the app and the website. Right now we are going to be looking at how to use INSHOT, which is another app, to edit our videos. Remember, our task at hand is to remove our watermark that we had in our Render Forest assignment. Okay, so let's have a look at the Render Forest assignment that we had. Then for emphasis, okay, so this our beautiful video. There is this annoying watermark here, and that is what we want to take care of, because the video would have been nicer if it wasn't there. Okay, so that's what we are about to achieve. So we will be using an app called INSHOT. So let's head to Google Play Store and have it downloaded. So you search, type INSHOT, and there it is. INSHOT is this particular INSHOT. Sometimes there could be other apps that look like it. Just right here, there's a lookalike here. There's a lookalike here, and there are lots of other lookalikes. Some will even bear that name INSHOT. So make sure it's the original INSHOT. The real INSHOT is going to have up to 500 million downloads. 500 million. It has been downloaded 500 million times. That is the logo there. So INSHOT, I have it already, so I just open from here. All right, that's the page. And so what we're going to be doing is using INSHOT to remove the watermark in our Render Forest, and it's going to also serve as an introduction into using INSHOT for your mobile phone video editing. So here we go. You select video. As you can see, INSHOT also handles photo and collage, but today we are here for video. So you select video. Once you select video, it takes you to a gallery where all your past video works are aligned in recent. The recent ones are on the top, so the ones you just worked on will definitely be up there. Then you can click it. If you click, it will preview. If you click it, you can preview. So in case you want to preview other videos, just click it. It will preview. Okay, one of them is the explain. So, and then if you want it, you just tap it. It will select. You can see the tick. You can see the tick sign there. Just proves that it's selected. Then you now click on the tick down here, and you are in. All right. Okay, once you are in, the first thing you are going to notice and want to take care of first is that INSHOT also has a watermark. So we are coming here to use INSHOT to deal with Render Forest watermark, and INSHOT comes with its own watermark. But the good news is there's an easy way to remove the watermark in INSHOT. So let's try that. Click on that INSHOT. Click on the INSHOT watermark there, and you have two options. The first is to buy INSHOT, 1,000 naira a month, 3,000 naira per year, or a one-time fee of 12,500 naira. Is not much compared to what you want to use it for, but we are here to give you ways, easy way out, the easy way. So let's see how we can remove INSHOT the easy way, legit. It's called the free remove. So when you click on the free remove, INSHOT to give you a couple of tasks, which is going to be to watch an advert. Maybe some of their sponsors, people pay for advert spaces on INSHOT, so that's how they generate their income. So you click on free remove.
50% of a cat.
You can see
That's strange.
there's an advert of
50%
Octa
of a
FX.
That's awkward.
Okay.
50%
So
of
you
a
have to
screen.
watch the video.
That's uncomfortable. But 50% deposit bonus.
Most
that's
times
profitable.
it's 30
With
seconds.
Octa FX, you can apply the bonus to your every deposit and increase it by half. Download the Octa FX trading app today.
Once the advert is done, you'll be given an option to exit. You can see here, you can now exit the advert. And once you exit the advert, voila, the watermark is gone. The watermark is gone. Okay, so that is how you remove the render forest watermark. But let me show you a hack, a little bit of a hack that could get that done in a faster way. All right, so okay, just head up to your network, your data, switch off your data connection, switch off your data, then let's go back again. Let's close INSHOT and start all over again. Okay, now select INSHOT. Where's my INSHOT? Okay, now INSHOT is back now, all over again, video. Now when you are coming back to INSHOT after you've had a project, you will now have an option to select the project that you're working on or to select a new project. I'm going to select new project. So I select a new project, add my video like we did earlier, and boom, we are back in here. The watermark is there again, and so let's click on the watermark again this time around and watch what's going to happen. Remember, the data is off. The data is off. So when you click the INSHOT, it still shows you the option. You select free remove, and you notice it's trying to find the network there, and boom, it's gone. So you don't have to watch any boring advert if you don't want to. But sometimes you may have a reason why you want to stay online, so you watch the video. Okay, first task is done. The INSHOT watermark is off. Our second task is going to be to make the canvas here. We have a canvas here, and for now our canvas is set at a square 1-on-1. We're using a 1-on-1 Instagram method, 1:1 ratio. So we are going to use 16:8, or we are going to just leave it at no frame. So if you select no frame, it's going to use the exact frame of the video that you created. Now, it's also important, there could be a reason why you want to convert what you did that was 16:8 to a 1:1 ratio video. There could be a reason why you want to do that. Okay, there's some other things you could make use of here. We could, this slide bar here, there's a slide bar here. You can use that slide bar and increase, zoom in and zoom out, zoom out, zoom in. You can use that. Okay, so let's take it back to what it was. So what we're going to do right now is select no frame, and it takes off the extra and just leaves our video the way it was from render forest. Okay, so we select the tick, we tick here, and then Okay, right now we've done the canvas. Now what do we do with our watermark? One of the ways to handle your watermark is we are not actually going to remove it, we are going to cover it, but we have to cover it in a creative way, in a way that will not look funny. We used to have people just get a sticker and cover it, and someone can know that you were covering it with a sticker. You could just get maybe one of the stickers that we have here, and now pick, let's say this one that says share here, which actually looks good. You can select it. These are some people who want to cover their watermark and just bring it here, cover it. It's not neat. To me, it's not neat. See, and then we now have it. It's not really neat, but some people can do it that way. But that's not the method I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you a better method. Let me delete that. Okay, so we are going to use something called, when you click on the sticker, you see here. Okay, let me go back. So I'll show you what I did. You have here your sticker. So I'm going to click on that sticker. And then you have three options. Either you use a sticker, or you type a text, or you use mosaic. We are going to go with this mosaic. We're going to go with this mosaic. Okay, so let's select mosaic. Once you select mosaic, you can see what it does. It obscures. There are very many versions. There's this. Let me take it so you can see what it does. It obscures the whatever you put it there. You may have reasons for it. So you could just do this, but you have to resize it in a way that it fits what you're going to do. So you take a little bit of patience and then drag it to where it is there. Okay, now you've covered it, but it's kind of a bit large, so just see how you can make it as much of that size as possible. Let me lower the height. Okay. Oops. What did I do? Okay, let me take it down now. You can rotate it around at that corner. I'm using the resize tool here. Using the resize tool, there is an edit tool here. There is a cancel tool here. Okay, so I've resized it. I want to take it down a bit more. Then I pick it and move it to the watermark was. Can resize it down. Okay, so you can see, but this is still not it. This is a mosaic. It's still not what I want. There's something better. So watch me. Now, under the mosaic, there we are going to edit. There's an edit tool here. So let's select edit. Now you have more features, different kinds of mosaic. Okay, we are going to use glass. We are going to use this glass feature here. So watch what happens when you select glass. You see it obscures the watermark, but it gives you some options. So we're going to work on this slide bar here. We're going to work on the slide bar and increase See, if you reduce it, it shows the watermark. You take it to the extreme, it obscures the watermark. Can you see there? All right, so I don't want to obscure it so completely. Okay, so what we have here, once you're done with anything in INSHOT, look out for the tick sign to approve what you've done. So it's stored, you select, you tick it, and then we have our watermark obscured to some extent in a creative way. Tick again. So you can see there, if you play it now, it's not that bad. Okay, it comes back. Yeah, did that intentionally. So let me show you what to do. Once you have selected your mosaic, you can see here, it doesn't start from the beginning of the clip, and so it starts with the watermark is still there. Then when you play it, after a while, the mosaic comes and covers it, and after a while it goes out. You want to be able to make it start from the beginning of the video to the end of the video. So let's do that. Let's scroll. Of course, you notice if you want to move the video, you can just roll on the timeline. You have a timeline down here. You have a timeline down here where you can scroll, move forward, scrub forward, scrub backward. So let's go to the beginning right now. Click on your sticker where you access your mosaic. You can see it there. Click on that mosaic you just did. That is the mosaic clip there. Click on it. When you click on it, you will see that it has two handles at the beginning and at the end. Click on those handles. It will show video beginning or clip beginning. Select video beginning. See, it takes you to the beginning. Then select the end also, and take it to video end. Remember to tick. Now when you tick it, you play it now. Okay, so you can see that our watermark has been taken care of to a large extent. Okay, now you could decide to be creative. You could decide to try other aspects and see what it gives you. Now if you want to edit the watermark, you select edit. So you could try blur, you could try dot, you could try this triangular method, but I prefer this glass because it kind of gives us an illusion. And then maybe what you could do could be I tick again. Could just make a text and just drop it there or something, but I think it's cool like this. What we used to do before was you just do a text. You can write your own watermark there. I can write the MBMX edit and MBMX edit. Okay. I tick. Video beginning, video end. You can see there I have, and it's using a color that is cool. You can now resize it and take it there. So me, I don't follow your watermark too. Nobody only render forest. Oh, I also have a watermark. I tick. Remember always to tick. So all right. So you can see there we have a beautiful covered watermark of our render forest. So you've branded your video, and that is that. Now let me show you how I did that text step by step. On here you can see the text icon here, text. Select it, and then you have text again. Select it again, text again. Yeah, when you select it, it opens you up to a text field where you can insert your text. So you just type what you want to type, hi or hello. Then you have options here to edit. You can select, this selects the color, this selects the font, this edits the alignment, left, right, center. This handles the opacity, how visible the text is or how invisible it is. So we'll look at them in detail later. I'm just showing you quickly, and then you type in here the color. You can select black. I selected black. It even has an eyedropper. Those of you that have done design before, you can see this eyedropper here. It helps if you click that eyedropper. If you click that eyedropper there and pick the eyedropper that is here. Have you seen maybe the eyedropper? This thing here. I can take it to wherever and capture a color that I want. So I want this green color here, and then boom, I have the green color on the text. It's really good when you're handling graphics in your video, so your colors are not color blocking. Is that what they call it? Color blocking or color riot. Okay, so that is how you do it. You can now come in here, click edit. The next one was the font I showed you. You can change the font and change the font to all the different fonts that you have here. There are some fonts that are available. There are some that you have to download. Fonts, lots of beautiful fonts here. These are the fonts that are available here, but you can download some extra fonts. Okay, so that is basically how to cover your watermark with INSHOT. Then when you are done, let me delete this. When you are done with INSHOT, you are going to want to save your work. So you preview it. Always preview your work before you save. Play the work. When you are done with your preview, you come up here, you see save. So you are going to select that, save, and it's going to ask which resolution do you want to save it. Is it 1080p? This is full HD. Frame rate, estimated size is 84 megabytes. So you can use this to play around and get the size you want. So I'm going to change this. I want to make it 720p. You can see you have 4K. 4K is the highest resolution so far. So, and then you can play around, leave the frame rate at 30. You see this estimated size has dropped to 42 megabytes. So we are going to use this. You now select save. And so you see the converting video. It's going to take a little while. So let's pause and then we're back when it's done. Okay, so it's done. Enjoy using INSHOT? Yes, but I don't want to get this, so just say not really, but I actually enjoy it. Would you mind giving us some feedback? I will, but no thanks. Okay, so you have an option, it's saved. You can see here that it's saved. Okay, so you can you have many options here. You can either send it to YouTube, or email it, or WhatsApp, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, Signal, Facebook, Stories, Messenger, Twitter. But I normally like using Other. So we use Other here so we can have better features there. Select Other. Send items to. So based on your phone, I like using copy to. So it will copy to a particular folder in my phone. But you can see here, you could send it to WhatsApp, you could send it to INSHOT, you could send it to, you could even send it to the compressor. This is a app I use for compressing videos so you can fit to WhatsApp and emails. So I'll be explaining this later in the course. Okay, so I'm going to use copy to. I'm going to select copy to. So it will copy to a folder on my phone. So I'm going to select, let's use internal storage and paste. You can see there, it has given it a name, INSHOT, blah, blah, blah. You can see the size there, 44 MB. 44 MB, that's the size of the file. Okay, so we have come to the end of our INSHOT tutorial. So let's play and see how it looks. So you can see our video is playing, the watermark is off. It plays actually. So you can take your time and be creative and find better ways of using a mosaic, or maybe even using stickers, just cover that watermark. And you can make your brand. You can put a brand at that corner there and put your logo there, so anybody sees it just feels that you just want to crest your logo at that point. Okay, so that is where we end it for with INSHOT. There are other apps that we can use to do some other crazy things. I use another app called KineMaster, and I use it to do some amazing things. That one, I could show you that one later if we have time. Okay, but for now, that is where we stop, and we are done for now. Thank you very much, and God bless.